What's up, YouTube family? What's happening? Welcome to Pip Getterz YouTube channel. Welcome. Thank you for joining us. We're here looking at a few charts. The dollar's still kicking, but also the euro is still tanking. Okay, the euro's tanking, and the yen trying to boss up a little bit. Hasn't made up his mind yet. The pound dropped immensely due to maybe, I don't know what it is, maybe the queen passed away and the pound got extra weak. We might also take a look at that. So don't move. We'll be right back, and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Welcome back, folks. Thank you for joining us again. I am the Professor Pip. We got a few of the Pip Getterz in the building. We got BJ in the building. We got Sean, and we got Raphael. We got a few of the folks in here. Thank you. Welcome, YouTube family. Let's get straight to it. Raphael, welcome. Matter of fact, everybody's in the building. All right, cool. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. All right, so we looking at, let's go start with some news. Aussie. BJ, did you look at anything yet? Outside of what I was looking at? Or have you either used these pounds?
Just look at yesterday.
Okay. Euro dollar braces for fresh multi-year low. And for those that don't know, if we go to the euro dollar right now, this is crazy. Let's go to a monthly chart. Y'all see this? There is no record of the euro being lower. This is 2000. This 20 years. No, much more than 20 years. Is it 20 years?
20 years.
20 years. Y'all see what's going on here? Man, it's a lot of money, folks. 20 years. The euro has not seen this. This is crazy. And I don't know if it might blow this, but it could. The pound dollar also looks the same. Actually, the pound been broke. Well, the queen, this is, now again, some people are asking me about how the charts might look after the queen passed away. I don't know exactly what date she passed away, but that's what's been going on with the pound after she passed away. So the pound has hit some demand. It has hit a little bit. We'll look at that. Gold dribbles above 1600. Pound yen price analysis. US CAD. The dollar has been kicking all kind of tail. Aussie dollar, see, you can't even get in that. The thing won't even retrace. SHIB. How many SHIB burn tokens will it take to spark a bull run? I don't see any crypto doing a bull run right now. If anybody tells you to buy, I don't know about buying crypto right now. That's just my personal, professional opinion. If you can short crypto, I'd advise that. If you're in an account that allows you to do so. All right, Facebook, dollar. As you can see, the dollar is kicking again, kicking all the currencies around the ring. If this was a WC fight or UFC, any fight actually, the dollar is winning immensely. Okay, the dollar's winning immensely over all other pairs. New Zealand or Aussie are very weak, and as we saw before, the pound is weak. So the dollar has been strong. The Swiss is the only thing even holding gold together. The Swiss is still strong. The dollar's just reigning supreme right now. The yen is trying to green up just a little bit. So we believe the yens might fall. Now, had a zone on the pound. New Zealand that obviously wants to get out of here before we can get on the bus. This sucks. It was that little doji. What time frame was that in? This little hammer right here. Let's see what this US yen. All right, the US yen has been going up. This was a trade. Congratulations, Raphael took this trade from 500. He actually took it twice. Super scalping. Let's look. All right, so I got the yen, dollar yen going back up tonight. As you can see, yesterday we broke the previous day's high. So based on the strength of the dollar, the yen is strong also. But based on the strength of this yen, I have to believe I'm hunting for the rally-based rally in here. Basically, that's what I'm looking for. The same way this pound New Zealand pulled a move. I don't know what time frame that was. Use the 1-2 hour. See how that looks. See how this looks, and price hit it and took off. Well, I'm looking for the same thing in the US yen. Or for the same. I like that BJ right there. I drew this zone last night. This thing hit so late though. Oh, this was a good trade. This scalp right here was 50 pips last night. Didn't have a live last night, but we the dollar was still strong, and we broke some supply here. So last night I came in here and found this rally-based rally right. So we had two zones in here. I think if we go down to a smaller time frame, found a rally-based rally. So that hit last night. That was for like 50 pips, if I'm not mistaken, from 250. Regardless, it was 50 pips, if I'm not mistaken. Close to it. So that was a good trade last night. If you could have held it, and that last night's trade was based off of that, this form of supply that way. So we'll see if we can get another retracement tonight. Start holding these trades for a little longer off this candle. Maybe we can get a little retracement and maybe a long off of this low. What's this? 5. We are in some supply though. That's what I'm worried about. Something here maybe. DJs, what you got?
Yeah, I'm looking at that US yen. I like it too, but I'm hoping that it can come down to this drop-based rally.
I'm talking about something other than this one.
Oh, exactly.
Yeah, I'm already on. Yo, 28 pairs here, BJ. Yo, you is 40.
I'm looking at the same pair. Pound dollar. We can get to the store.
Yeah, I think this dollar just hit some supply. I actually think this dollar Swiss, I don't think it's gonna make it past here. I saw this last night. This actually was a short to the long. I don't know if it could make it to the top, I guess. But this thing's so strong. It seems like it don't care what's in its way. Like, I don't care. Maybe somewhere in there we can hop in that jewel. Just not in love with the zone. What's this? 99. Not telling you a lie. Price could pop right in here and go boop. Pop right back up. It's not impossible. This little hammer right here. At 90, 99. Did that touch it? Nope. What's this? A 20 minute? It just does not want to show me that zone. See. I mean, it does have some strength where if it does pop that. This did break the high to the left. Kind of a rally-based rally right here that broke this. And price is moving off of it, but maybe price could come back the next candle and come a little deeper, and then go off. Just set and forget it, basically. From this candle right here. $45.50. Does not want to show me this candle. 48.
I think it comes to that hour candle. It's just gonna come a little deeper. With some nasty.
There it is. That's what I was looking for. I'm like, where the hell is it? Yo, Sean. Y'all link. I love y'all. Y'all both buddies. We got 2 BJs now. It's like, it's crazy. 2 homies. Y'all from Cleveland too, Sean?
He's from Cleveland.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely in the dog pound now. I'm almost officially dog pound certified. Adam Matisco, y'all, I'm good. I believe price could come back in here and offer this supply somewhere. Because the Swiss ain't no pump. So the Swiss could liven up and come back into this little, that broke this little area right here.
Swiss ball green too.
That might not be a bad looker. Let me bring this to about 50 piece. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, people. This is lower highs, but this is an uptrend. This could drop tonight. As demanding as it looked, this thing could go.
Exactly what's going on.
Because of the lower highs, we should probably short this. Leave our stops at 500 and just scare. How did you know? Because we're the greatest. That's how we see in a weekly. It's a possibility that could do a little retracement tonight. A little lower high gang, new candle. Lower high gang. Look how many candles. It's sickening. This is what we be trying to catch, Sean. Days of that. I had a long last week or the week before last down here somewhere. I don't even remember where that thing was. Sheesh.
Take a look at that 6 hour.
See this? Maybe 37. I get it. If it comes down to 37,
Yeah.
because we got higher lows, higher highs. I mean higher highs and higher lows. Yeah, higher lows and higher highs. There you go. There you go. This would be a nice little zone if price come back to this. This is what you wait for right here. This is price saying, I know you supply, but nobody cares.
I'm right back to it.
So you take half this candle, right? Beg this thing to come back. It should, off the lower highs, come back and bounce back up. I'll put an alert at right above 137. Yeah, these dollar pairs might come back up. It was playing with us. I think these yen pairs too. I think the New Zealand yen's gonna be a good one. It's at a demand zone though. Dollar's so strong, nobody care about that. But if it does get back in this area though, this wick over wick, drop, base drop, like that. Let's see, 750. It's like a drop, base drop. I don't know if, obviously we don't know if it is going to, it could just keep going. I'm not feeling this overnight stuff this week. Maybe the moving averages will help this come back, even though it's acting stupid. Dang. Haters. Yep. He said, yeah, I'm going. I'm a hater. Super hater. Facts. I still like this rally, base rally. I'm gonna stand firm. I'm budging. The New Zealand's weak, the pound is weak too, so they both weak. So if it comes in here, it should show a little bit of thing is getting past this 30 minute. It might not. It might stay right here. Let's see. 1.90 is my final offer. A good start showing is quarters theory too. Send me an email or email me. I can send you the actual book on quarters theory. Where'd Sean go? He's still here?
Yep, I'm here.
All right, cool. I'm
gonna shoot you out. I'm gonna put my email in the chat.
All And I'll send you the book on that. It's based on numbers too, and BJ can kind of, you know, because he's already.
You have reached your destination.
Somebody reached where they was going. Yeah, so that's a good start too. So then you get kind of, you know, a feel of structure and numbers and how we kind of look at the chart a little bit. It's not a bad zone right here. Yeah, this is all last night. Shorts from last night, euro. I'm waiting for this euro dollar. This looks like a good trade. If price gets into this drop base drop and we got lower highs and lower lows. So price pops in here, it might push it further down. I got 96 even. 96 even. Price comes back up into this little 96 area. Right in here. Boop. The euro is weak. The dollar is all green. So this trade, definitely a looker. It hasn't broken this low yet, so I don't know if it's trying to hold this low or not, but it's a definite looker. This drop, bang. We got a whole number here with a very strong dollar. Euro CAD, I guess it wanted to hit some demand. It's probably gonna go back and forth in here tonight. We got a drop base drop right here. I wasn't paying attention to this moving average, but I still believe this may drop from somewhere. It's not number one, obviously, because we got moving averages underneath it. To short, it's not number one. The euro yen is more of a short because of where all the homies is at. The yen is strengthening up. We got a lot of blue above that. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, people. If you're watching, if you're tuned in, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It's too.
Yeah, that's coming down. We ain't talking about that.
What, this?
Yeah.
That's the drop base drop right here.
That's what it's been holding. I'll take that.
Yeah, because the yen is bossed up. We'll see though, it might trickle. It did hit 139 already though. Smidgen. It's holding this little goofy area. I'm so mad at this from last night because we called it. Or at least this little 50 pip move right here. We had this.
Yeah, we had the initial bump out of there.
The initial 50 pip bump here and the one in the Euro New Zealand. No, it was Euro Aussie. You're right. This is what I'm mad we didn't see last night. This, right? Was it weekly or daily? Yeah. So weekly wick over wick.
Yeah.
That was.
That's what we had already bumped into the weekly, but then it tapped that weekly wick over wick above, and that's all she wrote.
That was an easy short last night. I don't know what I was thinking about. That was free money. Boy, if this ain't a career path, we'll see if it comes back and give us some love, though. I don't know what I was thinking. I was free money right at the open. Yeah. He could have got short at 250. The spread might have been right at 250.
That's like 250 on the bottom side.
Just stay in it.
Yeah.
Let's see if it comes back down here tonight into this little era. This little era. We got higher lows in the Euro Swiss. I don't know what this gonna do. I don't like shorting nothing with higher lows. I'd rather short it with low high. This Euro Yen looks like it wants to drop from the zone though. We'll see. CAD Swiss, it's been here since yesterday. Actually, it fell from the high yesterday. Just lower highs, higher lows. Watch out for this rally base rally right here. It could be a trend changer. This big candle right here. Be careful. That's the candle that comes out of the zone. They talk about how price leaves the zone. That's what they talking about. See price leave the zone like that, you can kind of catch that 17 o'clock candle off the rally base relay. I didn't see that earlier today. Still price might come back down in there though. Oh, do we have anybody underneath? Oh, I like it, but I don't. Maybe it might come and retail. I don't know. I don't like it because of that. The CAD is weaker than the Swiss, right? The CAD is strong in the front, but the Swiss is definitely bust. So, I'm gonna be careful. Took the CAD in 2 days. It's a weekly demand zone here. They trying to hold. It's a little pocket. It's like all the longs don't have nothing underneath them, so you gotta wait. This does have higher lows though. And it held 250. I don't like it though. Trash. I do like this Aussie dollar. I do like this at 500. I've been waiting. I'm watching this definitely.
Take a look at the Aussie Swiss. You'll like it too.
Aussie Swiss?
Aussie Swiss, real nice.
He said real nice.
Downtrend. Drop base dropped in the 4 hour. OG. 64 even looks really, really good.
Oh, it does. And the Swiss is strong too.
Swiss is strong.
It's like the Aussie dollar almost. Looks the same, except for the Aussie dollar is it's a 3 hour. The doji here, it's a wick over wick right here, kind of a 500. Kind of this whole area right here. What's that? 50-minute drop, base drop. Smash it. I think that Aussie Swiss looks good too. The Swiss, well, actually, they both strong, the dollar and the Swiss. So
Yeah.
might leave the chart on this. See what it do. What's this? 64. $7.50. This actually worked. Can't be serious. You cannot be serious. This actually is working. This is me playing. I can't believe this. This little fake rally-based rally I found. This works, I'm gonna be really mad. I was looking at this rally-based rally. Just joking around. But I know price has to come back up. Actually, you don't have to come back up. Good. Since the yen is so strong, I like 250 on the Aussie yen. This drop, base drop right here. If we can get some love. The Aussie is weak, the yen is strong. Let's see if the Aussie yen can give us some. Just to be close to you. Let's see if we can get a little drop, base drop out of the I do like it. This is the top zone. Actually did it at 500 for the conservative folks, which would be this drop, base drop right here. But the Aussie is so weak, it has to fall. And this was the last demand, so got price falling from right here. This is definitely a good drop. I like this though. Price hits here is probably going 250 gain. You are green. Let me see. Aussie, 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 Aussie. Yep. Yen. That should fall. That should drop. Ding, 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 ding. This has had good trades too. Man, the Aussie New Zealand has been on fire.
Fire.
I had a nudge this morning too. I was watching this stuff this morning.
It's a great trade this morning.
Bird of fuck. This had to be the morning I had an appointment. An early one too. My appointment was like 10:30 this morning. So I was out the house early. And I'm sitting here looking at this stuff. Like, ain't this up? But you know, I'm looking at how I trade the morning. So, you know, just looking at and seeing what, you know, based off of, and it probably wouldn't have been my favorite because this Euro Aussie, I had watched it from last night. Remember I said it long last night?
Mm-hmm.
So I caught the other half of last night. This morning. So this morning, this was easy to death. I just not trading my phone. Nope. You see how everything still got the hangover, but it's fighting? I was just saying, BJ, we made it too late with what we was doing. We're too late. Just a smidgen too late, son. When the Swiss was all green, oh man, a smidgen too late. Because now look at what we got with the pounds. A smidgen too late, cuz a smidgen. Now we right here in this bullshit. Oh. Just a smidgen. Now everything is doing this, so I'm like, really? Stuff is figuring stuff out. But we on the right path. Actually, this Euro New Zealand, folks, this long, I don't even remember when this long was. BJ, you remember when this long was? 3 weeks ago?
Yeah, it was weeks ago.
Thank you. 3 weeks ago. 1, 2, 3. So it was this long right here off the previous week. I was on them. I probably won't get another opportunity like that for a minute. I probably should have put the house on that thing. Everything was cuffaging. Oh, it was right here. Was it? I don't even remember. It was incredible. This is, imagine we still in this, BJ. That's why I said previous, and look at this week. See that? And you see this. You just wait there. Oh. Hold up. We didn't wait there for this one. This just hit this morning. Previous week. Yeah, we all out of whack, BJ. No, it didn't hit this morning. It hit on the 25th.
Sunday.
Out of whack. We out of whack. We just out of whack. Out of, where's that? All this right here, we just a smidgen too late. I want to see if we can still catch some more of this Aussie dollar. I think we can catch some more Aussie dollar short though. I think Aussie dollar is still in effect. We got a daily wick over Whizzle. I think we can get a little back down for this drop base drizzy. Yeah, we a smidgen too late, homie. Just a smidgen. But we'll catch him again. This where we should have been. This is where we should have been at. We should have been tearing them up. Now we ran into this. We could have even caught this. I remember this night. Let's see, but the U.S. is it dropping like? U.S. Swiss is still playing. It's not coming back. It could. Let's have some faith. Come back here, break this low, and come in here. That's what I'm talking about. 99 even. Break yourself. Because hopefully off of this supply, it'll come down in here. And come back up. Off of this. We're looking at the U.S. Swiss long, people. It's fighting. Also the U.S. yen long at 500 or close to it. It's been holding and fighting 500. It looks like it wants to love it. So based on dollar strength, I'm looking at these two. Excuse me, folks. They're safe, kind of safe. Oops. This US yen long, maybe, let's say. What is going on? The CAD pairs. We are in some supply though, so what we basically trading is the previous day's low, yesterday's low. And this rally base rally right, if it comes in here. We are in heavy supply though, like we late. Actually, BJ, this is the trade from Sunday. What's this? The 23rd.
Yeah, that's it right there.
This it. And we saw this at 250. We looked at. We laid on a couple trades this week. This too, Sunday. I saw all the U.S. longs from Sunday right here. This one, we supposed to be in this from there. We supposed to be in this definitely from right here.
Yeah.
And the U.S. CAD is iffy, but we could have caught it right here off of this. Not quite half the candle, but we could have caught it. That's over 500. We just fumbled the bag a little bit. This base drop right here in the New Zealand and Aussie dollar are both weak. So I want them to kind of drop. The Aussie is a little bit stronger than New Zealand. If you go look at the Aussie New Zealand. Yeah. You're supposed to have been in this. I saw this morning, but the Euro Aussie and the Euro New Zealand this morning.
Yeah, that's beautiful this morning. That also New Zealand. Man, it's pretty.
I saw this one this morning at 9.
Okay. Well, yeah, you would have had to been on it at 6:37 to catch the.
This one at 9. And, Euro New Zealand. Euro Aussie. This was the prettiest one though. This was it at 9 o'clock this morning. Everything was perfect. 750. And the Euro New Zealand too. I sat here and watched them, and the US yen. US yen? Yeah, right here. Let's go quick. 25, 35 pips. These shorts were good this morning. You just had to catch them off of all the dollar and yen pairs fell off the 5 o'clock candle. Just the opposite direction. So if I was shorting, I would have looked for something that broke the low to the left. So I would have shorted this. Probably at 750. If it don't break that low, I really don't mess with it. It gotta break this. And perfect. See how this didn't break it to the left? It come halfway and it still worked, but I need it to break. Bomb. This morning. Crack. 50 piece. I don't think the New Zealand yen broke neither. Nah. They all had the same patterns, but I just like to see a break. Like this is a break. The Swiss has been strong though, so this morning this was a good one too. You could actually kind of caught that. The dollar's been strong, so you got to stay away from what's strong, even if it's strong at the moment. The pound has been very weak, but if it's strong at the moment, I don't blunder. Pound New Zealand, you just ain't gonna do right, huh? This was a good one this afternoon. I'm gonna see what this 9 o'clock candle does too. I'm watching this fool. Because the New Zealand is weak, and the euro and the pound are stronger than the New Zealand. So, euro dollar also this morning. This was a break. Lower highs, 9 o'clock. Watusi. Bada bing, bada bow. I don't know about this low though. I'm trying. The Euro CAD is still working. We got this short going on, swing trade. We're going to see what this Euro CAD does. We're going to make it drop. We're going to drop, dang it. So this is one of the trades for the night too as well. Just got to fight through this movement average. Maybe tomorrow morning. Nice drop. Euro pound, I kind of messed up a little bit last night. The pound got strong, so I saw a long in here, but I was supposed to stay away from it. Even though it worked for like 2 pips. Somewhere in here. The pound got strong, so I was just working these rules. Anything you want to add, Sir Chart a lot?
This pound New Zealand might come back and get us something.
Yeah, we can't do anything unless it does.
Back to 500.
No, we gotta hit this supply zone right here. And it still got some blues above it, so it ain't my favorite New Zealand long. My Euro New Zealand is more of my favorite because of where the blue. See how I judge everything. This has more push up potential than this does.
Yeah, everything's underneath it.
Everything matters. Everything. I'm just practicing making sure we go through everything before we wild out. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button, people. Hit that like button. Yeah, just making sure we with this. Every trade, look at what's been going on with every trade that I've sent. So if I looked at, let's say we looked at the Euro Aussie, the Euro New Zealand last night, it's because of that. Because of this. This morning I went long because of all this. You know what I'm saying? Just trying to follow as much as possible, staying with the rulers. See, like this was safe this morning because of, you know, I messed up last night a little bit because even though the homies was with us, the pound got strong. So when you're doing it, you got to stay away from that. So the surprising currency, the one that gets strong out of nowhere or weak out of nowhere, you got to stay away from that currency specifically. This is going to drop today. I probably will leave it on this, BJ, or maybe on, I don't know. But before we started the live, I was looking at this, but you know that already. I think this going to drop a little bit. Or we can leave it on something else. Pound New Zealand. Low level on level right here. Going for home. 170. Right here. Per Plunkett. It's got to come right here though. Let's see. Right here, I'll do it. 9 even. Might be a little. It's just got to come off of this wick over wick, which obviously is trying to beat it. It's not really trying to listen to this wick over wick, which probably might have been a good short at 750 if we was paying attention. Like, oh, we want to short this wick over wick at 750. This is a form of demand zone. There. Anybody want to short a wick over wick at 750? Wick over wick at 750. Anybody calling? It's dropping right now. Duh. Where was we at? It's already 25 minutes. That's why I love that 4 o'clock, man. You can come in here and do your research. So you don't play yourself. Like, hold up. Wick over wick. Wick over wick. Wick over wick. You know you can squeeze you something out of that. Even though the euro is strong, this is the hot knife right here through butter. And this broke everything to the left. This might have some juice. Might come back down here now, definitely off of this. What's this? 750. You got another wick over wick. $91. Hot knife through butter. Boy, this was a nice little short. Where was we at? Sleeping. Might actually pop back in. Did it hit 750 already? Yeah, it sure did. Yeah, that was a quick joint, wasn't it? I think it'll get to down here from this. Sometime tonight it's gonna come back down off of this zone. Euro New Zealand's gonna come back too. Just gotta be patient. It's the Aussie yen. What's this? What's this? 5, 15, 250. My final answer. That's it. And that's all. Somewhere in between here, probably this candle. This tried to hold it. This candle, this one right in here might come past this into the 500 candle, which should be this candle. It should be this drop, base drop. Might come in the middle of this zone, basically. And then. But if. Might come like to right here, right at 5, right underneath it. I had this little long down here too. That is hilarious. I hate counter trend trading, but it works sometimes. Indeed. It's at 80.75. Laying right on this.
Come on now.
He's so funny, BJ. You is hilarious. Just working on perfecting the joint. Aussie CAD came in the journey a little bit. Hold on. 500 entry. Did you get it? I would have tapped just that wick over wick. I'll move a zone depending on how prices move into the zone. That was the drop base drop I saw. Aussie is supposedly weak. We're just gonna see how weak the Aussie is. Aussie Swiss isn't there yet. Oh, the Aussie might be the trick currency tonight. Trying to hold lows. I want to get strong today. Over. That's it. That's it. Is this 75? There we go. Finally, try to hide from me. You are not slick. Try to hide from me. These things is hitting some demand. What's this, the Aussie Swiss? Swiss trying to get a little buff. Get buck, get buck. Get buck, get buck. What time is this? Get buck, get buck, get buck. Is that what MC Hammer used to say? Too legit. Too legit. Too legit to win. Anybody got any questions? So the Aussie might drop at the same time the Euro Aussie might go up. Maybe. Euro yen is dropping like we expected, you know. So. The yen is just got strong. We got all blues. I like to see the blues in the blue. Blue, blue, bluey, blue, blue, blue. All the blues. Some of those things make a difference, people. You gotta be quicker than that. You gotta be here at 139 right at the open. Where do you think you going? Drop, base drop. You gotta see that at 5:30, 5:45. Not messing with this euro pound. Euro CAD, I believe, is going to fall as well. It's just taking its time. I think we're almost out of here, folks. Oh, pound New Zealand is being a super. I think it's going to come back down. It ain't going to just blow through this. You ain't that strong. You got too much blues above you, player. You is not fooling nobody. You coming down here. Even if you come back in here and retap, you still coming down. I might even short you. You go too high up in. You get to this 91, I'm on you, cuz. Get to 91, I did. Short the fudjuices out of you. Might just poke right past that wick over wick. Right at 91. you just might try and touch this moving average just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
You might try to get ornery and touch it too, just cause you brazen. Like, yeah, you gonna come up in here. You just that type to try and come in here and think you somebody. We gonna wait for you. We gonna wait for you. I'm about to join you, BJ. You motivated me, so I'm about to do the same thing you did. I'm about to chop some heads off. That's actually what I did today.
To make it do what they do.
Yeah. I said, I gotta be like BJ. He ain't playing. He know he finna do something. Y'all heard it. Eurocad short, still working on that. Oh, the US yen is being, come on, man. I knew it was this rally bait. See, I'm gonna start, told you, BJ, I'm gonna just start taking half the candle. I'm just half of this green candle. Is this half? You like, just take half, set and forget. I'm gonna start doing just half a candle, set and forget. Well, sometimes half the candle, not all the time. But sometimes you can half the candle, walk up out of here. I'm gonna just take half this candle right here. All right, bet. I'm out of here. I'm looking for them days. I'm just gonna take half the candle and just mind my business. Cause now you ain't gotta, you just here now. Now you can go to bed. This thing could do whatever it's doing, but you in it. Ah, you couldn't have came down 5 more pips, you hater. Hater, 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 hater. U.S. Swiss, you too. You came down here and played us. Didn't this hit at the open? No, what? Wait a minute. When did this hit? Yo, come on. This hit at the... Oh. How did we miss this? This hit at the open. Yeah, this the U.S. Swiss that hit my zone at the open, and I said it might come back. My zone was actually up further. I took half of this candle. And it was like doji right here, yep. Thought it might retest this doji. This thing is gone. Damn it, man. This can't get a break.
Man, it's gone.
No, we can get in at 9 o'clock though. Let's just follow the green. That's all I'll be doing. In the morning time, 9 o'clock, I'll follow the rules. Y'all some haters, man. Y'all some super duper haters. The US is that green. It's holding every low. Like it's holding 1 minute lows. Dollar pair is so scared to come back up. Says the pound Aussie. Pound pairs is just too much for me right now. Man, it look like some want to go up, some want to go down. I don't know what y'all do.
The spreads.
And the spreads is crazy. Like, I'm not. I did have that pound CAD long last night too. Was it from the low? Wasn't a lot of pips, but it was from 500 right here. Was it 500 or 750? I don't know if you remember this one, BJ, but this was from the low last night. This low, this candle, this low. Like it held the low. This low. Was it the pound CAD or the pounds? It was the pound CAD that held the low. These held the highs because this was a short. These were shorts that I didn't know would work because I didn't know what the pound was on. See, these lower highs are working. Then today, this came out at this drop. Come on, dollar pairs. So that means the dollar ain't coming back. It might come back tonight, pop back and then drop. Euro CAD is doing the Euro CAD thing. Hold your mule. Euro yen is doing what we expected as well. Little drop. What's this Euro Aussie gonna do? Hopefully it don't blow through the zone. Let's see. Give me the night. Wanna be and wanna sing. Oh. Pinky? Give me the night. You couldn't have came back down here. It's be some hating. It's be hating. Oh man, I'm about to throw up. Who's this? 9 o'clock piece? 17 o'clock candle. Haters. That was obvious though. I saw that this morning. Right when I didn't. I'm trading in the morning now, folks. I might go back to doing lives in the morning just for the people that are concerned. So you left from the top, huh? Thought you might. Previous days highs. Still testing some things out. See how these broke. Rally base drop. Because of all of this foolishness, I've been leaving pound pairs alone and yen pairs, some of them. Because the CAD yen has been doing this for like 2 days, 3 days. Like, so the only trades I had were these last night. Almost had to force them last night, BJ. But they work. The US CAD might float back down in here. Please don't give up on the US CAD. It might come back in here and retest it slow. Don't give up on it. I'll give up on the US Swiss. You a punk. Actually hit the zone at the open. Form of supply right there. We're going to tear them up at 250. Next candle. US yen. It's rocking. I think my zone was a little lower though. 4 hour low. Oh, God. We should have been in this. Damn. Anybody got any questions? Anybody want to hit us on the chat or in the Zoom? Or you can just hit us on our social media platform. Nah, pound New Zealand. Come back up here. Oh, look at you. Scared, huh? That was a good little wick over wick this evening. I wonder if anybody got in there. That Euro, New Zealand get in it? Nope. What's that, Euro Aussie? Yeah, you're not fooling nobody. You coming down here, player. Not falling for that trick. I know where you coming to right here. You coming to right here. CAD yen is dropping, so that means the yen pairs. Maybe I shouldn't have moved the zone. Euro yen is doing the most heavenly drop. Go Euro. I thought the euro was going to drop tonight. So what's the euro CAD doing? Finally. Jeez. Euro CAD and Euro yen short, people. It's the only thing that came to the zone. I don't know if I looked at the lower highs on the U.S. Swiss or the Swiss yen. The retest, probably a squeeze play too. It's probably gonna go up. The trend is down though, so I wouldn't go long. See this? That's what price been doing for days. You see this, right, BJ? None of this, none of that. This is what we've been in. That's why I ain't even been really beat. Like, I mean, just once this happened, I knew it was gonna be some foolishness. You gotta wait for it to break something. We just gonna trade the highs and lows every day. Bing, bing, bing. No moves. Not none that I like anyway. This U.S. Swiss is still doing it. So is this U.S. CAD. I hate these damn U.S. CAD. You son. We got faith in you, U.S. yen. Come back down. Euro CAD is dropping. And maybe I should have left that Aussie yen zone where it was at. Aussie New Zealand's floating. Aussie Swiss is coming up. Aussie CAD. Gold is dropping. A lot of previous candle on this gold. Maybe that's where we should have been at. This was last night. Maybe we should be looking at gold. This was the short of the month. Short on US 30. September 21st. Gargantuan short. Actually, the long of this candle. So this candle, we traded the low on this. This is a daily chart, daily. So off of this candle, we traded this long, this low. Higher low, like higher low, higher low, higher low. So we was banked up this way, then banked it back down. Still dropping. Might be time to get out of here. The yen pairs are dropping. The yen, oh, look at this euro yen. God.
Yes, that was just saying.
Damn, I had it. Remember the drop, BJ? That's why I picked it. Remember I said I'm picky?
Yeah, that was the one.
It's a couple of them that this dropped and broke. But I have to see that. And then you see all the... Yeah, but the CAD yen still got blue underneath.
Mm-hmm.
See the euro yen? Everything. It's a reason.
CAD yen finally broke through all the blues. They all above it now.
I think it still got some underneath it. CAD yen.
Things on top now.
It is? The 15 is underneath still.
On the CAD yen?
Mm-hmm. The 15 hours underneath. On the euro yen, it's not. It's a difference. One of them is falling harder, too. Probably just because of that. I try and look at as much stuff as possible before I jump in.
CAD is probably the euro anyway.
It is? Yeah, because it's green in the front.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because you can't blow back past this dude. It's a wrap. So that was a gun. I was thinking this Euro CAD too because of the same reasons. Because of the blue. This had some blue. This had more blue. But I figured it could fight it and make it down here. Maybe we'll just leave the charts on all night. Come on, Aussie Yen. So the first zone on the Aussie Yen was the right zone. And I moved it. Dummy. This was the right zone. This was it. Then I moved it back up. Stupid. I guess once I make up my mind to get in certain trades, the rest of them I really don't care about. Euro CAD and Euro Yen was drawn before we even did anything. Based off of the yens and what I saw with the blues. And nothing else came back up. US CAD is being a punk. This trade last night, man, was so fire. Oh, this trade was so fire last night. If I'd have stayed awake, I drew this too. It was a retest of the previous day's low or the previous candle low. And I didn't know if it was going to work or not. It came all the way down. The Euro New Zealand or Euro Aussie had already worked by then. I was already in the bed. But I saw this last night, man. Right. It was this drop base where I think in the 5 minute it was even prettier. It was like a 5 or 15 minute zone. 10 minute was something so incredible looking. Yeah, it's just 10 minute rally base rally. Drop base rally. 30 minute. There you go. Oh, this was pretty. Look at this shit, BJ. I saw that last night. I ain't take it. But it works. 500 was my number. Fire. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, people. 136.5 to 137.5. 100 pips. Gang. Y'all want to learn how to do this? Holla at the Pip Getterz. Holla at us online. So the only thing that came back really is the Euro Yen really. I just wasn't messing with these pound pairs because they just look like trouble. Pound New Zealand is working, bro. Off that wick over wick.
Dropping like work. Man, look at that.
Yeah, we just were. This was right here too. But you know, that's what I mean by, you know, that ahead of time and all of that. We're a step away, fam. 2 steps away.
Right?
I'm just so long biased. I don't even be. I be looking for this. I'm looking.
That is a beautiful short.
I'm looking at this. I'm looking at longs. Like, I got to get back in my short frame of mind. Damn it.
Euro yen. It's almost 50 pips.
Euro yen. Yeah, because I'm practicing my short in US CAD, Euro yen, and Euro CAD. I just feel better going long for something. But I'm practicing beaches. Right.
Well, hopefully somebody, you know what I'm saying, took the short. It was pretty short, you know, it was there for take.
Yeah, I'm just practicing, so now I'm just as good with the shorts as I am with the longs. Without even flipping it. Because I didn't flip it today. So you are going to work this CAD yen long. It's a nice little zone right here. But how did I draw this? Same thing, the previous low. It's just in a downtrend. Not doing it. I like the way this candle popped up, but it's in a downtrend. What's funny is it still might work. What's this?
250.
250? 250. He come to 250. That thing might dance. Let's dance. That thing might come and do that. I just don't like it because it ain't passing all over. See, this is more rules. I'm trying, BJ, the rules, man. I'm trying.
Nah, I like the Euro yen was the trade. I mean, you know, I'll tell you, one of the other ones was moving like.
And the Euro CAD, that's going to end up down here somewhere. It's the rules I'm using. You see it? Using it, the structure with that, because I know this right here going to be nice. What's the Euro Aussie doing? Uh-oh. You going to hold? What's this? 750s right here. So we got for you, player. It did just hit a good supply though. For the come. Wait.
That's some heavy supply, man. That's some all night supply.
It is. Then if right now, if you go in the Euro is the weakest, you don't even mess with this trade. Like if I go to FinViz right now, no matter what's weak or strong, if it's the weakest, I'll stay away from all trades long on this. Depending on how weak it is and how weak something else is, like the Aussie. And I'll find another trade to pair that ain't so lopsided. And this trade could still work. I still got faith in this trade. I think the blue homies got me, fam. The thing is, it could come all the way down here. Now hold this. It could break 750 and come down to 500. 500 or 2. This is the drop base rally right here. But it might give you a little nudge here.
See, it's all
right in here somewhere. It's gonna give you a nudge right there. It's gonna pop. It's gonna pop a tiny, tiny bit. It's a form of supply zone here. We just smashed. That's what it is. See this drop base drop? There's something in here. Depending on how hard this supply hit. This is the top. So it might want to come back to the bottom before it goes back up. This is a nice little area though. A nice little defense line. And it still ain't hit 750 yet. It's the zone, but it ain't hit 750. I would take it just like this too, not even 10 pips of risk. Bomb, right on the doji. Give me that. Y'all watching true artwork in the flesh right here. Whoever's watching this on YouTube, you watching true art. This is facts. Down to the lizard. And I bet that's going to go up. It's going to go up. You're going to get your 25, 30. It's not. Hold on. I think it is, BG. I got faith in it.
Me too.
I just hope that weekly, I hope it wasn't no super supply. It is a previous weeks though. We didn't see that. I'm gonna start coming in doing my extra studying instead of trading. I might make more money if I trade like I got some sense. Instead of, I trade when I'm good enough to do it when I feel like it. I'm gonna start trading like I know I can in a minute. You gotta show that zone some love. Stop playing. It don't have to, but
It's still getting in there like it's supposed
it's
to.
just now getting in there. We're 750. It ain't even hit 750 yet. I'll follow this all the way down. I still won't even get in this trade. I'll hit buy market right at 750. No drawdown. Let me get that. The further you go down, the less pips I'm risking. Now come out of there a little bit. Give us a little bit of taste. What's this, the 9 o'clock candle? Oh yeah, you coming out of there for just a smidgen. Let me see, it's at 750. Maybe it might come out of there. Come on, show us some love. Well, I'm acting like this the only trade we got working. We do have a few other trades in the mix. Yeah, I would have walked it all the way down to 6 pips of risk. I'm not losing nothing. If you break this, I'm out. Actually, you let this rock out. It really don't want to, like, what are you doing? So the euro is like really getting weak. So I was really right with this euro yen. This do not want to hold. It ain't over yet. When it hit this stop, it's over. It ain't over yet. That means the euro yen is doing amazing grace.
It's holding down at 5.2.
That means the euro yen is almost at the target. Euro CAD too. Oh, crushed him. Ugh. Where's that euro CAD at? Crushed him again. I think that euro CAD gonna end up further down though. Both of them. I was really trying to short these euros. I just thought that Aussie might be a little weaker. Come on, Aussie, get weak. You gonna come all the way down here and then go up? You suck. You know you want to go up right here. You like this place. I know. Go ahead. Yeah. Show us some love. No. Yeah. Right. Exactly. Like Big Pun said, go that way. Go that way. This is art, people. You're watching art in its purest form, or one of its purest form. As long as the trade works. If it don't work, then it's not art. Time for me to get out of here anyway. BJ, which one of these charts you think I should leave it on? The euro yen probably already hit the target. Maybe the euro, maybe you're on the euro CAD or euro yen. Oh, beefy. That's correct. CAD yen, you finally decided. I've been looking at the CAD yen all these days. Like, are you serious? And the Aussie yen left from the original zone. I ain't looking at you no more, man. Swiss yen is from the previous day's high. Euro Aussie, come on. Right in this area. Let's see if it holds. Actually, from here, I might move my stop up to like right here. This is all I would lose. I might just leave it like this. This, you gotta get this all night, people. You gotta give it some breathing room. It just finished dropping a lot, so it's gonna take some professional buyers to get this to go back up. It's been dropping all day, so not an easy task. Did you get in this, BJ? Or Sean, did any one of y'all get in this? I know Raphael said he was in a grocery store.
Oh,
Raphael, you still in the grocery?
Yes,
you still in the grocery store?
oh no, I'm at home.
You at home? All right, cool. Oh, you was chilling.
No, I'm watching I'm watching the videos.
All right, cool. I'm about to get out of here too. Probably find me something to eat. I'm gonna let these trades work. The euro yen the euro yen already hit the target, I think, or close to it. The euro yen and the
Euro yen is probably there. I mean, I think that was a good solid 40 pips, and don't lose your money.
and
That's what's up, 40 pips.
the euro CAD is on the way. It's on the way. It's had to take a break at 500, but we 25 pips up from 750 to 5. We hit the target 1. And I believe the euro CAD is going to drop some more. So maybe we'll leave the computer run into this trade. Just let it rock. Or maybe a trade that just started. This is 50 pips, bro. Sheesh.
Yeah.
It's a 50 piece. What in the hell am I doing?
Yeah, that was a 50 piece right now.
This is 50 piece. Like, what am I doing? I've had a few good trades in the last few weeks. I've gotten spoiled with these weekly moves that I don't even want to look at day trades. I'm back weekly moving. Like the U.S. Swiss, BJ will tell you, I caught the U.S. Swiss from down. I was looking at the U.S. Swiss.
95.5, bro.
This was my entry with like 8 pips of risk. This is a 15-minute wick of rally-based rally right here. And I got caught slipping right here. And I should have seen this. Damn it. But I was in that boy from here. When I told you, I said, BJ, you think it's something? It was right here. I was like, it was that Friday evening, the 15th or the 16th? The 16th. He was like, that thing is moving. I was like, watch where it go. Look where it's at. I was like, you think it's moving now? My predictions is going to be up here. And previous week, it was off of, I don't even know what week it was off of. This one or this, probably this, it was this week. Yep. Nope, it was this one. I saw that. Oh, previous candle. Yeah, I saw it. The price was here, and then the next candle came down in there. Did the euro yen pop back up? No, it didn't. It's dropping a little bit. Euro CAD still working. What else was we just looking at? US yen is baffling. Still holding the zone though. It's not over. It's just in this supply though, so And the yen is strong.
I'm in a trade right now, U.S. yen.
Are you in the US yen long or short?
Sure.
You're in the short. You got in where? Right here.
Almost hitting 1-to-1.
Yeah, you be scalping. Heavy scalping. I'm like, I would go crazy, B. Like if I did that, I'd have to be smoothies, no drinking, no liquor, no nothing, no vices. No vices. Just charts. I got too many vices to do that. I'd get a headache. I come home from the club or from lunch drinking a margarita trying to do that, I'll go crazy. Shot a couple, you know, them little early afternoon drinks before it's Asia session, or I would die. I have to find my one trade. I have to find my one trade with my drunken eye.
Yeah,
but yo, Raphael, if it works for you, it works for you, bro.
No, but listen, it's. It works, but it doesn't, because it's scalping. You gotta be like an eagle.
Yeah, you do.
Like a hawk.
I like doing that too, but I just like bigger time frames so I can get that thing.
Yeah.
And you shorten you shorten the currency that's 777. You can't even get stronger than this.
No, but I just need I put like 17 pips, 18 pips.
Okay. If I show you my trick, and you right, because I was there too, but I'm trying to change up a little bit. My trades from the last 3 weeks, bro, 300-400 pip. I'm back. OQ is back. 300-400 pip trades. What is this Euro Aussie doing? It wants to come down so low.
Yeah, man.
It's not over yet.
Come out of there.
Oh, come on, man. It hit that nice supply zone. I think we should have saw that. I think you're right, BJ. We get here on the zooms. I think we're gonna make the zooms a little earlier. Keep the lives the same, but make the zooms a little earlier so we can catch some of this stuff that snuck by me. Because I'm seeing tonight and last night, both nights, price snuck past me. 2 nights in a row. 2 nights in a row, price hit some supply, wick over wick, weekly or daily, and shorts right out the open. And we just didn't see this. Was it this one in the daily, wick over wick? What was it? Was it this one? It was the Euro New Zealand. It was something we saw. Euro Aussie. It was something we saw and it dropped yesterday because we weren't paying attention to the daily. Let me see. Yesterday, I think it was
the Euro New Zealand.
It was the Euro New Zealand.
Yeah, they hit the weekly wick over wick.
Right, that's what I'm mad at. And then today something hit. So every day something's hitting, and it's like 100 pips we missing.
Wow.
Just off of the. It's got to hold this low right here. This low, this wick over wick, it's got to fight that. Hold your mute. This low right here. Still not bad risk though. This is what broke the. Don't be a hater. Yeah, come out of there just a little bit. Now I wouldn't think price would come lower. If it come here now, probably I would probably move my stuff. Let's see. It's not a lot of pips though, even though we position size. Yeah, it's the right zone because if it break this low, it ain't it. It's down here.
Yeah.
Down the 500?
Yeah, it'll be around the 500. But this ain't over yet.
Oh no. No way.
It's just the euro got weak real quick. No it. So, I mean, it's all good. Usually when I'm trading and in the Asia session, if I like a certain pair to trade, if that night it does something quirky, like ends up over here, I'll stay away from it. Unless it's green, and then I'll go long. But it's just off of not seeing supply that we should have seen, being careless. Oh my God, Aussie New Zealand. Gold is still dropping. Pound New Zealand.
New Zealand.
Pound New Zealand hit. I ain't even know it hit. Anybody get in it?
Come on, no, it didn't.
Yes, it did, brother. Right on my line. Don't worry, BJ. Our time is coming. Let me finish putting the finishing touches, bro. We're gonna be like 3 or 4 of these a night. Don't even worry about it. Let me put the glaze on it. Let me just put the glaze on it. We'll catch a few of these a night. It ain't nothing. In a minute, y'all ain't gonna have no YouTube lives. The only way y'all gonna see us is on Patreon. Yeah, this the short we talking about that we could have caught easy. To the long. Just wasn't paying attention to this short right here. This was a wick over a wick, like blind. what do you look? Super wick over wick. Then this wick over wick is the one you take. Right here with the 91 even. But this is the long I was looking for anyway, to see if we can hold and push back up. So I would have probably waited tonight for this long. The short would have just been good. I just didn't see it. I was looking.
That's still 50 pips from the market.
I believe this might give us 50 this way, or at least 30. No, this is 60. This was 60 pips down. Because from here up is 60 pips, 65 pips.
It's your night, depending on how you trade. Who's standing $2,000?
Pound New Zealand hit already. Let's see what it do now.
No risk either.
Well, I'm trying, BJ. I'm trying to manifest. I'm trying to get us to where, we like clockwork orange around here.
Yeah. We pop that rascal there, that's $1,000. Night over.
Is it fighting so hard? Go this way, bro. Yeah, for us. Team us, man.
And Euro Aussie is flying though, bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
Come on, y'all got this is art, bro. We're trying to help us here live. Because I'm not doing no more teaching. Like I told y'all, we just gonna be trading. I ain't doing this teaching stuff.
Yeah.
Y'all gonna have to pay me.
Patreon.
Yeah. Y'all might see y'all gonna see some trades work, but y'all ain't gonna see no.
Time.
You so stupid. I'm gonna try not to do no teaching.
All right.
Euro yen is beautiful. That was perfect.
Come on, baby.
Perfect. Where's the Euro CAD? It's still playing. You must be in the Euro Aussie, BJ. Did you get in? Did you drag your entry down?
Got in at 48,768.
So you drug your entry down a little bit.
Euro Aussie is going up.
Well, that's why I'm here to help the people. It's just that I sit here while y'all make money, and I'm just like, yeah, But I'm just putting some finishing touches on it. I've been looking at Bentleys. I gotta have my strategy down packed like this. No flaws.
Take 2 of these and make the note.
Exactly. Before I start buying stuff, I gotta do this for like a month straight every night. What you see, right? I've been doing it every night for a month straight. Well, almost. Because I don't like this really. I actually just like the weekly trade. But because if you don't catch the weekly trade, you got to come in here during the week and catch a day. So if you miss the weekly trade, you got to come in here and catch one of these days. Hopefully. and then maybe you beat somebody.
You can do like every weekend, like the best trade of the week.
I had this long last night for 40, 50 pips. This morning, this long at 9 o'clock. And now this. Last night, this long, this doji, from 500 to almost 149. That was like 40 pips. And then this morning, from 750, I think close to 750 to 250. So that was 50 pips. And then tonight, we can squirmish 25, 30 pips out of this. Will be good. Yes, I said squirmish. So what's the Euro New Zealand doing? Playing around. Bump you. Euro yen hit the target. CAD Swiss never came back. It's a downtrend. I ain't really thinking about that. I was more upset at my US pairs because this is what I wanted. The US yen gonna come back, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all. I think gonna come back in here and slide.
Oh, let's go and do it.
The US Swiss left without us. I'm supposed to be on this 9 o'clock candle right now messing with y'all. Is it 9 o'clock? Yeah, I'm supposed to be in on this candle right now. Messing with y'all. You get the hell off my internet. Messing with y'all. Missing all my money. Messing up the church's money. And my zone was right here at 9. They played me at the. Oh, this nigga's a pirate? I thought price may come back down here too. I don't know. I thought price may come down and touch these wicks. 137. No. Maybe some stuff might retrace in the middle of the night tonight. Maybe. Pound New Zealand. Pound New Zealand. Oh, what if this was our show? We could have took that too. I'll see what this gonna do. Aussie, I think, is a little weaker than the New Zealand right now. If I'm not mistaken. Maybe I don't. Maybe the pound is getting weak. Damn, my zone worked. If I'd have held this whole thing to the low, I'd still be in this from last night. I didn't hold it. The pound got strong, so I just dipped on it. Dip, baby, dip. Euro yen 50 pizips. Euro Aussie coming out the G-zone, the Z-zone. Coming from home. This is all I need tonight. Probably about 3 of these, 2 or 3 of these. I'm good.
Oh man, you got a Euro yen short and a pound New Zealand.
I mean, but that's if I don't catch the previous week, which you know I like to catch. I'd rather catch and sit down for 2-3 days. But you know, oh snap! Aussie CAD touched the zone. That boy on fire tonight, ain't he? Come on, US yen, come up out of there for that. As the country girls say, hey. Rally, base rally. Didn't I tell y'all? It's these good old days. Oh! I'm about to kick the computer. It literally went in my zone. This was my zone at the open. I just prayed that it would come back. This rally, base rally right here. And I said, maybe it'll come down here. Nope. It did this right at 17 o'clock. Level, rally, base, rally right here. Level on level. That thing just bounced. I should be in it now off the 9 o'clock candle, but it's all right. Probably some trades going on right now off the 9 o'clock piece. This US CAD is straight off the 9 o'clock. Find some good trades off the 9 o'clock. This might tank off the Blue. Do you stop at 107? You did. A little bit up. Okay. Pound New Zealand still fighting. It might try and come a little bit lower down in here.
Euro Aussie almost at 49.80.
Oh, you're welcome, folks. I wondered, it took so long for this pound Swiss to work, though. This was this morning. Previous day's candle. Lower highs. This thing just took forever. I thought the Swiss was stronger than this. I drew this zone. What night was this? The 26th. So I drew this on the 26th. Price came up here overnight, hit the zone, and it's just now working. This was a drop-based drop at 1.07 even. Could have cleaned it up a little bit, but this was working. Like this hit was it last night, the 26th? Yeah, this hit last night. So this is a last night. Some of the trades I didn't erase from last night. I just wasn't sure. These drop-based drops I drew last night from this candle. And now they're finally turning. The pound pairs anyway. Pound CAD, the same thing. Drew all these last night. I didn't know if they were going to fall. I was just taking a shot. Last night, pound dollar two as well. They were good zones. I can show y'all what time frame. Can't really see. Little wick over wick right here. Drop, base drop. Really, it was just 1.08 even. 500, something like that. A couple Swiss pairs, I did the same thing. I erased it. I erased that. None of the New Zealand pairs came back tonight. So, cool. Pound Swiss, pound yen is dropping, euro dollar is dropping, euro CAD is still dropping. Euro New Zealand be better. Do better in life here. Oh, look at the Euro Aussie. That boy Q on fire, cuz. Stop playing with me. George, what's good, George? I don't know. George, you still on here? BJ, you still in this?
Man, Joe, hit my thing on TP, man. Follow one.
You gotta trade.
Nice.
You gotta trade.
Nice,
you gotta trade
nice.
with me a little bit more, BJ.
Nice trade.
Cause I might have you putting more lots on this, not getting out of it. I want to see this say a stack when I'm finished, bro. This move right here, a stack. Cause I'm gonna pull this all the way down to the last minute. I'm gonna press buy. But I can't do a live and do that with, cause I'm putting lots on it. I'm putting like 5 standard lots on this trade. I'm going in. I'm just making sure, you know, this is beautiful right here. He said it hit my TP. Oh, night's over. EuroCAD is still working. I'm better at longs though, BJ, as you can see. The shorts are starting to work. But I've been long Euro Aussie and Euro New Zealand since last night. BJ will tell you that. Thing did the Y new see this morning. Could have been in this since this morning, since 9 o'clock. Euro Aussie 2. How many pips is this? Y'all watching this live. 35 pips. So you just took it from 750 to 49?
750 to, hold on.
BJ, you should have sat still. I'm gonna show you what 100 pips overnight look like.
Yeah, 49.10. 49 on that.
I'm gonna show you what 100 pips look like overnight. Bosstrades.org.
But you're doing set and forget?
No, if I was trading, I would have watched this. I would have said, I've been still sitting up. So I sit up during the whole Asia. And I would have found this trade and I would have pulled my entry down. I would have watched it all the way down here and I would have bought market right at 700. And I would have put lots on this thing and I would have put my stop loss right here. Might have lost $200 or $300 if it stopped me out, but you know how much money I'm making right now? I'm up like $1,800. Quick. 2 bands. Real fast. Real fast.
6 to 1 right now.
Yeah, and I would have probably put 300 on this little move. BJ will tell you that I'll put 7 lots on this thing. But see, I have to get my strategy down to this because I feel comfortable. I don't feel comfortable if the zone is big like that. So I'll walk the trade down to like the absolute last second. I'll walk the trade down to the absolute last second and I press it to where like I see no drawdown. Like the euro yen, even though my zone is big, this big, I'm tapping it right here. And I'm sitting here the whole night. I'm not talking to you and laughing and joking. And I don't have 2 minis and micros on there. I might have some heavy money on that. Some money that you need to focus. Look at this shit. Do y'all remember this short? And I moved it up, BJ?
Yeah.
It was right the first time.
It was right the first time, bro. It was right the first time.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get it perfect, bro. And nothing perfect, but you know me, I got it. Well, we go crazy.
I left it there. I had it at 2 even, man, and I moved it up.
Yeah, see? Watching, doing what I ain't always right, BJ. That's what I be trying to tell you. Aussie CAD working too. Aussie CAD just hit the target. That's 25. I remember when that just hit the zone.
There's at least a half a dozen trades for 25 to 50 pips.
Pound New Zealand is coming out. I don't know how much it's gonna come out, but it's working.
Delicious.
What do you say, Pip?
Delicious, baby.
Just trying to, look at the US yen joint. Just trying to get it a little bit more concrete.
Oh, you don't make yourself mad. Go look at the euro yen.
Yeah, that's over 50 pips now. So between the euro yen, euro Aussie, maybe 2 or 3 trades, you probably would have made 100 pips already. Or just let the euro Aussie run. You take the target on the euro yen and you take target 1 here and go to bed. And that might do the boat. That might do the boat jangle.
No ifs, ands, or buts about it. 2 trades, 50 pips. And we forgot about the pound New Zealand. It fell 60 pips.
Forgot about the euro CAD too, because it ain't over. That's going to drop tomorrow. That's going to be down here tomorrow, right with your eggs and grits and cheeses. It's going to be down here. We ain't finished. That's going to be down here. Believe it. This already 25. From 750 to 500. Damn, the Euro New Zealand didn't come back. You son. Time for me to get out of here. Look at my pound New Zealand. Yo, BJ, if you look at my last 2 or 3 weeks, bro. Boys on fire, fam. Especially with the longs.
Yeah.
There's so many trades tonight, man. You know.
Just being picky though. You gotta be picky. You can't take not everything. You gotta take them solid joints. Them solid good couples. Them couple good solids, even if they do 25 or 30, that's 2 of them. What? Standard lot on 30 pips, 2 trades, is almost $500. If you master that, it'll be 1,000. I'm trying to make a stack off of one day. It's gonna be 10 lots on this trade. One day, I'm gonna put 10 on here and I'm gonna post it. Y'all gonna see me go nuts. Yo, Q is bugging. Q is wilding. He waiting until price get right to his entry and he pressing the button. There's no looking back. That's like walking down that block in New York. You know you ain't from the neighborhood and you see 20 dudes outside. Oh, you either gonna walk or you gonna turn around. Which one are you? Oh, I'm walking. Yo, what's up, fellas? Yo, what's happening? Y'all all right? Peace, peace. Peace to the gods. Very few people who gonna keep walking. But you know who gonna keep walking? You already know who gonna keep walking. Me. What's good, fella? At least back in the day. Oh, look at the pound loose easy. I'm out, fam. I'm out. Yeah, BJ, we just I gotta put this in a jar. Put it on the shelves. That's all I gotta do.
No, 30 pips more.
But this is why I need you to do the live so I can go in here and do, not live, the Zoom, so I can, you know what I'm saying? Because I can really tighten this shit up while you talking.
Yeah, we just banged it out at 7 o'clock. And,
Instead of me drawing them and talking and then you in the trade and I get nothing. I did all the work. Like damn it. But you not here talking and doing nothing, BJ. And I'm sure you didn't drag that zone all the way down here. If you dragged it all the way down here, you the man. And if you did draw the zones, you need to come do some work so somebody else can get some love, bro. Don't be stingy and selfish, because I'll cut it off on you too. Y'all all be sitting here like, where Q at? I think we good. I'm done. We out of here. Right here is mine. Are you still in the U.S. yen, Raphael?
No, I get out.
Yeah, I told you, bro. See, I'm trying to, I don't know how well is this. This might actually work for.
I short it and I get 10 pips.
This might base a little bit because of this, but it's leaving from here. I don't think it's coming back down. It's gonna leave from here. Yeah, BJ, since you joined Jones too, you can start taking over classes. And you can teach. That way other people.
One day I will be like you guys. One day.
Damn. Now New Zealand's coming out too. That's probably gonna give us back 6. This already gave us. What is this? Little 20 piece. You get 250 to 500. It was over 20 pips. I still think it got more gas in it though.
Yeah, that Aussie Swiss fell from the zone too.
Hey, you're Aussie about to be the trade of the night. I'm about to go foo-foo on this. You crazy? I'm about to go. Matter of fact, I know what I'm about to do. I'm about to go lock myself in a room. I ain't gonna talk to nobody for about a month. I'll see y'all in about a month, man. Let me just get a couple of these dollars real quick. I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute. I'll see what I'm about to do. I'm about to holler at y'all in a minute. Let me just get a couple things straight. And I'll be back. You dig? I'm gonna let BJ run everything while I'm gone. BJ's in command. I'm gonna see what.
All right, guys. I see you next class.
All right, and I'll see you. Next class. I think I'm gonna let BJ do the Zooms and I'll do the live. Even though he was late today, I don't know what he was doing. But today I did. We did it kind of together. We had a new student too. Sean came for the first time. Shout out to Sean too. So it's all good. BJ, good practice, good job. Just get ready to sit in the seat, fam.
Word.
All right. And matter of fact, I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, you'll see me tomorrow. Okay.
All right, cool.
All right. Yeah.
All right. All right, YouTube. Appreciate y'all stopping by, coming through. Hit the like button, the subscribe button if you want to learn more about how we do the zones in the Chizards. Hit us up. we are always available. Well, not always. We try to be. All right. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for joining. As always, Courtney's not here, but if Courtney was here, she would tell you all to love somebody other than yourself. Very important. You work harder when you work for somebody other than yourself. So appreciate it again, folks, for stopping by. Trade smart. Trade the chart.